Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can fix the your email is almost full issue on your cPanel. If your hosting provider has emailed you this that your mailbox quota occupied is almost full, then you can easily increase it under cPanel. How? Let's see. So this is a cPanel. It's under Big Rock. If you are having GoDaddy or any other panel, it will be almost similar. Here you need to just search for email accounts, or you can type here email. When you will type here, the following will be visible. Email accounts. Click here. On clicking, all your email accounts will be visible, and the one which is almost full will be visible here. You can check here the storage. It's almost full. So this was the account. You can also verify it from the email. This was the account which is almost full, obviously, because it's 500 MB and it's almost full. So how we can increase it? For rest of the email IDs, you can see it's not even 5% or 10%, it's even less. So what we can do, we can directly click on the email ID which is showing issue, that is the following, and we can click on manage. On clicking manage, herein you can see the details of the same email account is visible. Okay, now what you can do, you can go below under storage. Here is storage. Here it is. You can see it's almost full. You can just select unlimited from here, or you can let's say set it to unlimited, or let's say you can change it to 2500 MB, which is fine right now. Okay, you can convert it to other options also, GB, like let's say I'll set it to 4000 MB. Now I'll click on save below. Rest keep all the options same. Go below. That is update email settings. Now you can see only 10% is full because we have allocated 3.91 GB to the email. Okay, now there won't be any issue. So guys, in this video we saw how we can fix the email quota mailbox quota full issue on the cPanel. Thank you for watching the video.